what's in my camera bag in 2023 if I'm going traveling. Hello, so in this video I would tell you about the most compact mirrorless camera travel setup ever. If you're going traveling, would you like to carry your cameras in a bag this big or this small camera bag by the Canon itself? So this bag used to, I don't know if it still comes, but used to come with Canon cameras. And I'll just put it on. It's really lightweight, it's not heavy. There you go. So it becomes a nice little sling bag. And what do you have in it? Okay. You have a camera on a gimbal and a spare lens, the 15 to 45 mm. And then you have the tripod legs for the gimbal, spare batteries and the filters. You can put anything in this bag. There's like so much more space. It's also water resistant, so you don't have to like waste a lot of money on buying expensive camera bags while you're traveling. So this is an absolutely incredible budget setup. Okay, so this setup has a Canon M200 and you can record up to 60 FPS Full HD on this camera, and even 4K is there, but it's not very reliable when it comes to autofocus, and there is also rolling shutter. And the gimbal is Zhiyun Crane M2, and the lens right now is the Canon 22mm f2.0. And this gimbal, this lens is really nice in low light situations, and look how small this setup is. And if we compare it to a mobile phone, which I had here with me, here it is. This is a mobile phone. Let me show you how much time it takes to start this setup. Okay, so first we're going to turn the camera on, remove the lens cap, so now you can take photos instantly. You don't even have to take the camera off the gimbal. Okay, you can take the photos now. Now if you want to take videos, just loosen this axis and take it out, and there is like a leveler here, a small leveler, so you can set it up so you don't have to balance it every time you open it up. And now just turn it on after unlocking the bottom axis, and you are ready to take videos. It's so quick and it's so small and it's so inexpensive. You can get all of this for like $500. So this setup is so small. Let's compare it with something else. Here's Spider Pod or a Gorilla Pod, whatever you want to call it. It has those flexible legs. And look how small this setup is. Another camera setup, it's Insta360 X2 with an invisible stick. Look at the size. So I hope you have an idea about the size now. The most compact, lightweight, and easy to carry film studio with you. You can film incredible videos with this camera and this setup. Basically, I will put some of the videos that I shot somewhere over here. There's a video of a wedding, a birthday party that looks like a music video, car rallies, and it's very convenient. You can put it down and record. You talk to it like in a vlog style. Like, now you can vlog with it. And this is an extremely nice, lightweight, easy to carry down setup, and it will not break your bank. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars to get cinema quality out of your vlogging setup. And the autofocus is so good on this camera that it never misses it. The autofocus on the RP is not so good. I'm recording it on the Canon EOS RP, and that can let you down sometimes. So yeah, see how hot this is here, I'm sweating. So yeah, this is absolutely recommended if you are going traveling and you want a good camera on a budget, a good setup on a budget, it's like a cinematic setup. You know, you got the gimbal, you got the camera, the interchangeable lens, everything you have here. And you can carry it in your sling bag. And if you want like shut it off and put it in the bag again, just turn off the gimbal. And see, it's still balanced even without the gimbal. Just lock the bottom axis. Okay, and now it is like kind of balanced, and you can still make videos without too much jitter. Even when it's off, it won't be smooth, but like I'm just saying that this setup is like so good, and it's so convenient to have it with you all the time, because you can just keep that bag around your neck. And let me show you how easy it is to put it back. So unscrew the middle axis, push it back, and then it will lock securely in its place. Tighten it up again, and it will not move. Let's put the lens cap on, and I have removed the camera bag, so yeah, this was on me. I could just put it back like that. That's it. We're done. I'll take it out again. There you go. So convenient, so easy, so lightweight, and you can get professional quality videos with this setup. It's too hot in here. I'm sweating, so I'll leave now. I hope you get the point, right? Smaller is better when it comes to camera. Only when it comes to camera. And when you're traveling and you don't have time to plan, you just want to shoot and get good quality video, this is the best I've experienced. So yeah, I'm talking too much now. I'll just end the video now. Goodbye. Take care.